Let me show you how to link a funding source inside of Acorns. If you created your account of Acorns and now you're trying to fund it or link it to a bank account, in this video let me show you the process. Let's head over to the app of Acorns. Once you're inside of the application, in order to link your bank, tap on the profile icon which you see on the top left of the screen. Once you tap on it, it's going to show you your profile. You'll need to head over to settings. Just tap on the settings option. From this settings page, you'll see the option called linked accounts. Just tap on the linked accounts option. Now if this is your first time adding in a bank account, you will not see the section right on the top. Instead, you'll see a button called link a bank account. Just tap on that button and you can choose from a list of banks that are available. You can see there are a bunch of banks that you can choose from. You can directly log in using the Plaid system to your online banking of your bank account. So tap on any of the bank account that you own and then fill in your information such as your username and the password, and your bank account will be successfully linked to your Acorns account. So that's all there is to link a funding source inside of Acorns. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.